Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey, come along for the ride. Southern Country Living, where love and life collide. Do what you love and love what you do. That's the way we live, and we're inviting you.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a chicken taco soup. I've made this before in the crock pot, but today I'm going to make it on our countertop burner so we can have it for our dinner meal or supper meal, whichever one you want to call it, in about probably 20 minutes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to saute these onions. I'm going to saute these onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. I love the way onion smells when they're sauteing. Today we went to the Dollar Tree, and I went in there to get this can of beans right here. And this little can of beans right here actually cost me $60 because I came out with a haul. So don't go in the Dollar Tree. Sometimes it might cost you more money than you want to spend. Okay. But we do know how to economize, because this chicken that we got at Sam's, we can get several meals off of it, and this is our second meal off of it. This was our rotisserie chicken. So I'm going to put it in. I think my onions are ready now. And so now then I'm going to put in my rotel tomatoes. These are the original diced tomatoes with green chilies. And I think these are the mild ones, Calvin.
They're the original. They're not as hot as the regulars.
Okay. So now then I'm going to put my $60 black eyed. Now I'm going to put in my $60 black beans. If y'all hadn't seen that video, y'all watch it. It's a Dollar Tree video. We made it yesterday. Okay. I'm going to put in my can of corn. And I'm going to put in my chili beans. And now then I'm going to put in about half a cup. I'm going to put in about half of this tomato sauce. I'm going to give this a good stir. Okay, so now then I'm going to put in Calvin's homemade taco seasoning. Stir that up. This is already starting to smell good. If you don't have rotisserie chicken, you can, if you have canned chicken, you can definitely make this and use it. If you have like a lot of chicken that is fixing to expire or something on your shelf, that's a good way to use preps up. Okay, now then I'm going to add in my chicken broth, and this is 4 cups. Okay, I'm going to let this come up to a simmer and then cook it for about 20 minutes, and then I'll be back. Our chicken taco soup is done, and it smells really good, doesn't it, Calvin?
It sure does.
Give it a good stir. This really does smell good. Kevin, do you want to come over here and dip us out a bowl and do a taste test?
I can. Sure, I'll do that.
I like a second opinion on my recipes.
Well, we know this is good because you've made this before.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. This is the first time I've been on video today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, Marie, that's pretty full. And let me get me.
I'm going to go ahead and put my toppings on. I'm going to put some sour cream. And I'll put a little cheese on mine.
It's going to be very hot, Marie.
We didn't put any salt in this because the beans had salt in them. But if you need to put any salt in them, just salt it to your taste.
Okay. Let me get a few of these green onions. Some cheese. And a little sour cream. Well, that's going to be a great meal.
Yeah, and thank y'all for coming along with us as we cook our dinner or supper meal, whichever one you want to call it, today. We appreciate all of our subscribers.
And we're having these little corn tortilla chips. They're round. We got these at the Dollar Tree.
You can also have Fritos, whichever you prefer.
Let me show you the bag, what they look like. But that's the ones we got at the Dollar Tree. We've never tried these before, but we're going to give them a try. You could use Fritos or any type of corn chip.
Yeah.
Marie, it's going to be pretty hot. We might want to wait a minute before we do a taste test, but I'm ready. How about you?
Yes, I am. I hadn't had anything since I had that good Bojangles biscuit this morning.
Okay, Marie, I'm going to go ahead and get me a bite and try it. It looks great.
Okay. All right, here it goes.
That is really good. That is good, isn't it, Marie?
Mm-hmm.
Still physically a little bit hot, so you have to be careful and don't burn your tongue.
Also, it didn't need any salt either. So those beans had salt in them.
Let me try one of these chips and see what I think.
You like those chips?
Yeah, they're just a good corn chip.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Marie, I'm going to give you
Well, thank you.
2 thumbs up. You did great.
Well, I guess if you don't have anything else to say, we're going to close our video out.
I just got one more thing to say.
What?
I want to go over and sit down and eat and enjoy this. This is good. We've had this before because Marie makes a chicken taco soup before. And it's real good. We knew it was going to be great.
And it's real easy to make. Just dump your ingredients in a pot and wait till it comes up to a simmer. Cook it for 20 minutes. And you got a really good weeknight meal that's pretty economical considering all the servings you get out of it.
Yes. Oh, yeah, because we'll get several servings out of this. We may share some of this with one of our neighbors. We'll have to make sure they don't mind eating something a little bit hot because the rotel tomatoes does put a little bit of heat on it. Not much, but a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess we're going to close our video out and eat our good chicken taco soup. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a fantastic evening. Bye.
Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of.